Hi friends, please watch the video till the end and encourage me through your like, subscribe and share my videos. In my previous video, you have seen how to convert column value to comma separated value using concatenate function. Now, let us see how to convert a column value to comma separated value using both concatenate and transpose function in Excel. Thank you. Suppose we have an Excel sheet having the value under a column. We have to show it in the comma separated format. For that, we are going to use transpose function in Excel. For that, now let us put the formula like equal to concatenate, then use transpose, which cell value A2 to A24, and close the bracket. Now don't press the enter now, just select the person from transpose to cell value and press F9. Then remove the curly bracket from both sides. Then remove the equal to symbol. Then save it. Okay. Now you can remove the bracket as well. Okay. Now you got the column value to comma separated value. Now save it and copy it and paste wherever you want. The value will be in number. This is how you can convert the cell value to comma separated value. Thank you.